Hi, my name's Baldini. For my field placement, for my first year generalist field placement, I ran group therapy sessions at a methadone clinic in Pennsylvania. I also work at a methadone clinic in Delaware, but I'm only responsible for running individual sessions. So the new learning was the group therapy sessions, which was really enjoyable. I enjoyed running groups. So my experience with working with families, I don't work a lot with families in my current position. It's more um, individual therapy, and we discuss, their addiction and any co-occurring disorders that they may or may not have. A few touch on family systems and kind of how their substance abuse has affected their family. But very rarely do I have like a family session or any really real interaction with other members of the family beside my client. I was raised in a very strict Italian Catholic household. Male is the dominant member of the family. Mom kind of steps aside, does the cooking and the cleaning. So that's kind of how I was raised. But now as I'm growing up, I'm realizing that that's kind of not how I envision my future relationships to be. I am one of four siblings, so big family. So I think that will help when learning and discussing different, family systems. One role that I've played, there's a 9-year difference between my older sister and myself, and then a 2-year difference between my youngest sister. So kind of acted as like the babysitter / second mom to my younger sister. So that's kind of my role. Sorry, my dog's in the background. No real burning questions about family work. I'm just interested to see how we incorporate all of the family members into a session. It's pretty difficult to just kind of hone in on one person with a bunch of thoughts. So I'm very curious to see how, like I said, more than one family.